everyone, welcome to an episode of our Speak Kaki review. Today is a day for Honda. 一日本田，终身耕田. Now behind me is the FK8, but it's a 2020 edition, means the facelifted variant. We have tested the FD2, we have tested the EK9, we have tested the FD2. Did I say FD2? We have tested the FK2, the FD2, and the EK9. Now, we have not tested this variant. Now, of course, there's a new FL5. You know, this car last time, to me, it didn't seem so, in Chinese, they call me xiang. The translator will sort out what's xiang, you know, in not smell good, I said. It doesn't feel so, you know, worth to buy in the past. Right now, the price go up, but with the new FL5, wow, this car suddenly seems like a decent proposition. Look at this, man. Come. The FK8 right now is stock condition, except for a race rim. This race rim, Vogue Racing, Forge. Well, a bit of red accentuates the whole black interior. It also matches the red badge here. Well, for exterior, the FK8 you have seen in gazillion reviews. Fake vents, this and that. Not real carbon, but as it is, when it first came out, people thought, hey, the design looks complicated. But today, in this age, I feel it looks decent, don't you think? And some of the vents are real. In the facelifted version, there are some additions to the front and rear bumper. So because a lot of people complain that it is vent fake, that vent fake. So now all the vents all got wind to pass through one. You can see. Hong a cycle, so don't pray. Black is very understated. This one looks like the Night Rider. If you are my age or even older than me, you will know what is the Night Rider. Now in the rear, you can see the three exhausts. The one is to make when it's at low speed, not so loud. Then the rest operate when it's full orchestra. When you rev the car, this one is just standard. I don't think so. No, got a small ducktail here, ducktail. And a bit of downforce to the car. So by and large, you ask me, this car looks nice. If I can suggest somebody lowers the suspension by a bit, it's gonna look even better. Now I see a lot of FK8 on the road. Some of them I drive my EK9, they drive past me, they thumbs up. Oh, I saw one along Singling Road there. Wow, quite nice. If it's nicely lowered. This is still stock. But stock has its advantages. So by and large, let's see what's underneath the engine hood. Alright, man, I tell you, the new Honda engine bays, they are hot as F, man. Whoosh! K20C engine, stock intake, Earth Dreams, VTEC technology. Nothing fanciful, a very nice cap stock unit with just rims they are changed. The rims, they add a bit more, you know, stands to the car. Because Honda like to make car, the rim hide underneath the skirt one. I don't let you see kind of thing. Okay? So this one makes it more flush. And inside the interior is pretty plush. Alcantara. Oh, the seats are so comfortable, man. These seats, alright? They're not exactly light. People change to the more lighter variants, your Recaros, your Brights, whatnot. So here are the knobs for you to change to your comfort mode. R+, this one is your handbrake, your brake hole. I got brake hole now, don't play. Oh, this one good wireless charging sial. Oh, wireless charging. 1 hour 3 minutes. I'm on 75%. Need 1 hour 3 minutes. So it's not fast charge. This one slow charge. But got charge better than no charge. So now we see the front. The front, of course, is Honda infused with passion. I see all the red inserts. Maybe suits the rim also, if you ask me. Now let's see the rear. Wow, this one good. Wow, the Civics have grown. This Civic is considerably bigger than my previous Civic. Wow, look at the leg room, man. Tokong le, this car now power and you can see, wow, here got rear speaker also. Got speaker, got tweeter. Wow, the rear guy behind also can hear pom. I know that Honda Civic to hear techno one. What? 4 of them can dance together. So very good, honestly. I quite like it. Honestly, the more I review it, the more I got feel. Do you think it's worth getting? Do you think Arthur Wong should own a FK8? You see, 见一个爱一个的人啊，西北加辣啦，especially for cars, not women cars. I feel I'm starting to appreciate this car more. I don't dare to review last time. When I review it, buy how? FK2 the time, we bought the car in sold it FK2 also quite nice, but this FK8 is upgraded version. You know the new FL5 come out, everybody go and see. I never go and see that. I'm going to call it. That call it gonna lost Let's just drive this car. Because today, the time is for the FK8. Come, let's go drive. See inside this feeling, honestly speaking, sure. This car, I don't care whether it was sepang one round or half round overheat, but on road, I tell you, on road is very shock to drive. Let's see, setting, can change the R plus or not? See here, cannot change. Can anybody teach me? All the car, every batch different. But I tell you what, this gear knobs, I remember last time the FK8, the FK2 one, I don't know whether is it same as for the FK8 pre-facelift. It's the round one. This one is like the DC5. Tampo like, like the Sing Pao. That's me more cool lah. You all go and see lah. Looks very cute one I don't want to say all the dirty word lah. This one look like what you tell me. But it's very good to drive. It's very good to hold. You hold like that. You hold like that. Up to you. Okay, now I'm on comfort mode Okay, comfort mode, good one Comfort mode, we go. Like riding on clouds now. Maybe the guy don't want to change coil over because the mode really quite short but the car seat's a bit higher I see all the FK8 when it's low slung the rim flush sibei sui I don't know I just find nice but now I finally drive one facelifted variant. Last time got one yellow color one. Wow, they asked me to buy. Walao, the car must beat one I think Singapore there's one yellow color FK8 every time I drive a Honda Civic type, don't care what edition, it feels like home. Only this one I got, need to get used to. I see H, I must use right hand to do the signal. Salah. Right hand, wiper. Left hand, after all, it's a European car. So left hand is for the signal. But it feels like home. I come in, I seamlessly just blend with the car. Wow, this one got the Honda sensing. Like M-Van also have the lane change, lane departure one. One Japanese in England trying to help you let's put it that way to do it. One thing I don't like is steering wheel Why? I mean Alcantara I'm okay but Ancho I will say Alcantara Sipe la samle hello very easy become dirty No? Especially go sweaty palm one black color Alcantara I'm okay. This red one I need to what I mean. Need to change So comfort mode is indeed very comfortable. No need to change suspension, some people say but if you don't like the ride that looks higher, you will still change one. Wow, boy, I tell you something, I tell you man, I'm bouncing like on cloud, but I got on clouds. So let's go to sport mode. The default for this car is sports mode. It's like BMW M car, it's in sport mode. So because I think everybody that buys this car doesn't want comfort buy S class. This one you desire a little bit of passion, 一点点激情 okay? So now in sports mode, let's see how it feels. Alright, got a bit of wheel spin on okay? This sport mode, considerably the car feels better. If you want more speed, this one accelerates better, suspension is a little bit firmer. Steering wheel also maybe feels a little bit tighter, I feel. Not bad. But just now the comfort really quite comfortable. I tell you, can fight with S-Class one and I love you. So comfortable. Auto ref match, power. Do this, no need to 张急保养, just need to shift and it goes in. The clutch, the brakes, the accelerator pedal, all bagus one as per Honda style. It's fast, not super fast until you scared that fast, usable fast. 320 horsepower. Torque figure, sorry I forgot. I say, just now I read. But okay good. I think 400 plus torque I think later I verify again. I like it. Let's try plus R mode in our usual corner. Now I'm in plus R mode. stock standard plus R mode. I don't know how to change the plus R mode. I also don't want to try to change it now lah. But plus R mode, oh, car so sharp. Wow, also comfortable. Wow, piang oi. Because the ride height is also higher. Wow. So nice. You know what it's called? 人车合一, the car and the human combined. If today in Avatar, me and the car will connect. Oh. Okay, this is the thing that I feel for Hondas, man. Whoa. Not as raw anymore, it's plush, but still very engaging, you know. Last time maybe it's like, you know, every 2 hours that you and your girlfriend go to camping, you know. This one you and your girlfriend hotel lounge, you know. This is the kind of feel that I can describe I tried to rev match, still so easy, man. Because the Honda pedal, I tell you, is motor thing out of this world, honestly, a Toyota GR. I've driven a few, they are quite good, but cannot find one. You see the leg movement, sorry, I didn't do my lokpo, but I was lost in that moment because it's so engaging, you know. It's like, wow, not many cars can match the gear shift. I dare say, responsibly, 负责任地说, this gear shifter, nobody in the world can touch. Toyota GR, no. Your car good, I said before, good. But gear shifting, pedal position, Honda #1. 没有得比. I tell you, man, this car power you gotta say with caution You ask me a GR Yaris, is it good? Damn good, limited edition. But for me maybe space might be a little bit small. If you intend to grow your family in it, you might have second thoughts. You might buy another car keep the Yaris, then talk on car. But you have one car to do it all. This car is. The space big. The engine got power, got top speed. After all, 2 liter K20C, you know. The 1.6 can do a lot of things. It's very fast also. But it's after all still a 1.6. There is no replacement for displacement. This is very good. You want to go Sepang or not? Is another set of things you must do. But for daily drive, this car, it makes you feel that you're a good manual driver because this car do all the shit work for you. All the heel and toe, they do it for you. People say manual car hard to drive. You tell hard to drive. If you be这车的故障不是 BBDC、SSDC 出来，不是 CDC 出来啦。It's so easy lah. Hello, if this car we use for license taking sure pass one lah. Now got reverse cam, everything have. Okay, the car a bit bigger. Parallel parking can be a little bit tricky for some people. But you clutch, you relax. You know, I tell you guys, Honda people out there, the clutch don't anyhow go and mod. Don't mod those ling 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 ice cream clutch. Like got very good sound. Don't do that, brother. The stock clutch so good. No? If you amount until very high power, then maybe you find something that is a bit more soft, maybe like ATS carbon or whatnot. This time and age, you buy a BMW 318, maybe also 200 over 1,000. This car 200,000. Brother, buy a FK8 YOLO a bit 318 can do this or not? Walao, 红头盖的激情I must 深呼吸 because after I drive this car, you see I talk also got a lot of passion like louder because Honda brother. 能开玩笑 Really, 你看那个本田的波棍，佢嘅波棍，哇 the gear shifter 幾好so crisp wow 過好 So remember to like, subscribe and share our channel to your friends if you like our reviews By the way, this car is for sale so anybody keen can give me a buzz. If you are a fan of black cars, this is the right car for you.